It is time for your quiz prep for lesson 15. So I know we went pretty fast through the lesson, but it's mostly stuff you knew from the last lesson. We just added some new words, so I'm not too worried about you. First up is our Quizlet, just like normal. It's up here. It's not too much on it. We didn't learn too much new vocab. Then you need to make sure you can conjugate chercher, garder, laisser, oublier, and trouver. They're all regular ER verbs, so you shouldn't have too hard a time conjugating them. But it is more important that you know what they mean and you can put them in context in a sentence. That's going to be the tricky part of this section, is reading the sentences and putting in the word that makes sense. Then, make sure you can use the direct object pronouns le, la, and les in affirmative and negative sentences in both the present tense and the passé composé. So each of these are marked if they're supposed to be in the present tense or if they're in the passé composé, so I'd let you know on the quiz. Just remember, in the passé composé, make sure that the past participles agree in number and gender with that direct object pronoun. That's going to be the thing that'll lose you points. Then your sentences, there's 4 of them, and you're just talking about a friend you know. So I have known him or her since some time. You're using depuis for this sentence, so I'll sort of show you. Je le connais. I know him. Remember, because with depuis you use the present tense in French. Je le connais depuis. And then you can, it doesn't have to be elapsed time, actually. It could be, I'll change it to time. It could be a year, it could be a period of time. Like, I've known him for 7 months. 7 mois. Depuis 7 mois. Or I could say since 2009. Je le connais. I've known him since 2009. Okay. Then I often invite him to my house. I saw him like last month. I'm going to see this weekend. Okay, so this first one should be present tense. This one should be present tense. This is passé composé, right? I saw. And then I am going to see him or her. This is near future, so conjugated form of aller and then an infinitive. And then making sure you're using direct object pronouns for all of these. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you feel unconfident, let me know. Au revoir.